Ka jingbu jingkan mau ya ka singi dap snem ka jingklat no jong riu silur ka jaj penreu upaim tirot sing sim ka dei ka blale burom hakkeleng ka ridum kasi kane ka snem ka dei ka snem ka bashispa khandai puai jong ka lengku dap snem ka jingklat upaim tirot sing sim kinau yalam bat git khot jong seng KSU na ribhoi kilapan long ya ka jinglang ka balengkot haphalau ka ying school JNV nyang bari ka bala peniang yo modur jong upaim tirot sing sim ban le burom yo ne khlawat kari kene ke jing penlong ya kene ke jingilang kalong ban pen kan mau ya ke jingele jong u kumus im u bom pendam hakmat ki briu ki panabar ki bede ki nong sencar ke sarkar ki doli ha ki por ha bagi persyang ban le don bor bat thombor ya ke long briu man briu jong ki khon ki hajar ha kene ke jingilang lawan bane sim benta de ki nong ilam ki hakmat ki bakan thop yaw samla James Hitler mopnyang u briu general secretary ke seng na ribhoi usamla lambok rembai beli vice president lembat kiwe ki nong ilam jong KSU North Khasils district unit ki nong ilam jong northern border area ki nong ilam jong paham mauleng arpomer circle kentup de ya ki borpne school ka JNV nyang bari rengkat ki khana school kum ka jinge kan maulang utirot sing sim udeus im ka himan nong klau udeus im kasi ubalami ban yelam ya ke jingile persya ya ki sipai British hagi snem shejar praspa arpo khandai hadu shejar praspa lai pulai ban yada ya ka hok jong jela bat ka jinglai lo jong gari khasi hadin ki jingi khun ki babun rukom ki bula habban mat ya shipun ki jinge namar ka jingklan jong sipai doli hagi taki por ula syakem no dagi sipai ka sarkar ki doli ka balalong daki but syukor lara ayu syad haka Bangladesh bat hang teu laklat haka khanyo trek unaitung shejar praspa laipsan bat hagane kasngi ka khanyo trek unaitung kade kasngi kan mau borom yaw neu khlawat ka ri khasi ban pun kan mau ye ka jingslur jong neus im ka himan nong khlaw da ka bakentu ye ki samla jong kane ka juk menta ban bot nuksa bat ye ka mensim jong neu khlawat ban yeng yele ka jingwan le don bor ki breu ki banabar bat bu ka jingye terli ka jingslur bat ka jing ri jong upaim tirot sing sim
ba kene apet kan mauro kan nakasi ba ke kajikai jong kajingim jong o paim trot sing kumilaong bagilayo gilayo pule ni kikot pule kidon gi su khana pateng la pateng lengba kimen barem kijongi bat kapen kan mau ba kajingile ba kajing kun jong paim trot sing sim kadang idon hadu kene klimat kwamentan mar balai ba gidang ken mau wat hagane kaspas nem haunes nem ahjar pun reuro wala ula khlat men shwa sijar nai spa o sijar sispa nai puis nem men shwa hare kadang im bat kadang pen ken mau hongi hamenta ba kane kapeni ba gajai beru jungi kam shem la sei yauta uklawat ubay kun tangga sipateng lanai only one generation Henry he is our freedom fighter till for our next generation also. Bat kane pen kan mau, bat kaya pelong, ba kadai meruh jumut jing perkat jing pi. Bari benrung aga jingim ke jing pi. Ya ke jing long jing man, bat ya ka pion pule sepang ke jingim jong pim tirot sing sim. Bat kane ke pen kan mau ru kam tam, yangi samla pule, bat yangi samla jong kane ke juk mentah. Ba ngim dei benyapen. Lah kadai hasbai rupa lakadei hakono kamala de lane kayo nong simet namta beditat ya kari bujai berdeu gojungi namar hang tu gipor kaladon kajing penbit dak sebai rupa kaladon ka jing penpa penpon kumno banwan ra ya usim trot sing bon pendam hikmat jong ki pareng henry kei kanong rim ko don kolong habau klan kanong rim kajing pa jipon ki kamla ban lei ei bat kala pelong ru ban mi susu kita lagi kelawat Lapi iyo pun pulih ikut pinkan mau. Ya kapan nong lai. Kadai kau ipat. Kata. Kariu kentai. Kabai kun persak ki pareng. Kuno penpak pengop. Ya kisipai pareng. Oki jong kinombut jong o David Scott. Bat kumju. Ya kita ki nombut jongki. Dah kabai pengop. Bat pelim, bat penyiap ya bun yang kita. Bat kila penyiap bro. Ya kita kino ilam. Jong kisipai pareng. Bat kene. Kadai bandon. Hau tis nam jong abu jongpi. Bat kapan kan mau ro. Ya kajinglan ngade jong muslim tirot sing. Haba kila penpak penpon yu. Syam lah komu iki. Harai. Kajing yo kem jongki. Kamdai balik kem nak jakari jungu. Harai kilek dagui kebut kata. Bagi kot berkeran yasuk lanek tak ke pistok. Haba lawan saya kata ke pistok kai ke beja. Haba keran yasuk. Harai kila kem penban yu. Bat kila perkang par yu. Sepok Dhaka. Bahaba ulah saperang kangpar sedaka di pareng di company jungki kilapen kongu yu baula balong simbiang kilet sepok himano klau bat tersensyar kari kaba medon tolong melong tama medai belong apok jingpek jingpi jong kata ke sarkar British Henry kay kebostonap tolong ba utiral sing sim uang ba ngalak ba im kumusim lalut hangna pok potok ban mayap kumusim rau kane pen kitik susu ya jumut berkat ke jengah jengpi bat kadang pelong susu ya piru kamtam ki samla pule ki kena ki barang don ya kata banlum jingtip banwat ki tup jingtip babun nai tre sitom banang le namta kari ujai menriu banang le pha ki jing pule jingpi banlong pat kita kinong muna kumbau sim tirot sing ulah peni hangi bahanu ni khidmat kamta
Sispak kena kuih senam kalau kenjok jiklat juga processing Andrei yang yo menuan manusia hak ni bantu selebet ya kata kerja kenjok jong sispak kena kuih senam sispak kena senam ni nak mau sa ya ke bawa pain processing mulai alam mulai kun ban penim ya keri berjaya berreu ya kejat kenja ya senang kata kena bersiap mulai yo sibun hidungkan kalau pensau na kalian ke school na kalian kenong yalam jong steng lapan school Henry jeng jok sekentak spak kena kuis nem bila kenal sa adu benta kalau berkesil dia na kapateng sepateng yangi si paradok prasnam ikun samla kamtam ya pik student magin long kita isamla bait la kajat kenja ya senong kathau ya kendo kesiap mengimdai banyak pen hoi upain teruseng oleh la kajok ke benta ni priang unit stasiun na liang keseng misna stasiun jong pain teruseng hang teh sot sherlock haman ki jaka ndai misna tang matun stai ke jaka ne payu Henry mat kenau yang ni magin long ta kita kisamla balong muka senam jong teruseng ban it yalah la kajat kenja ya senong kathau ya kendo siap nilong tak kenong mele mangi gede berlong tak samla ban mi sakmat ba pen pau ban ya khod nang ta jing jong i pardo pas nam nong ta kerja bro indai bagi piang stasiun tanggo dia pen style Henry borok ngatrai dia pe World Cup borok fitnak yo Messi fitnak yo Ronaldo pipa balong Messi kula Ronaldo kamut tar balong Messi bro Henry ini berkenal bakal mensim ini balong kumita iklor ki balap til nanti ban yakut nam ta kerja mudu tu deu ngot tersing bangi pendiang hang yang school pengi pendiang hakiman jaka hari kesi jongi bagi perkenal ya piu way po way bangi dei bendon kata tahu di idol jongi ke KSU karena ke be kan yang senam jingdap jong prim tersing haman lau senam ibu akhmat ba idol jongi ngelong kum kesnam jong tersing ini berkenal maki men barem jongi kita kila yeng banyale namta kerja bedo dari kepateng jonga jokhi kum ki kun samla mangine long kum kesnam jong tersing ban mi akhmat banyak kun banyale banyak keren makan namta kecike jong kari bijak bereu namta kendo siap namta kepateng kaban fawan tekene tanggene kenten ngai blay sekadai banginela bayulum yalang hangne po JNB haman lausdem ina kemudian su peteng menuan kita kenal kita ngila su wat berkenal ya pi way per way bangindai betul dengan senam kumi trusting bangindai berkompromis namta simet namta udah jadi jono hendrai hin jakun yele kumale trusting namta ke peteng ke beri ujak beriu mat kita kena siap ke ba beliau labu ke pang yang ini ke beriu hakane kari kasih.
You see, U. Tirath Singh, great freedom fighter, he fought for the liberty of the Khasi people in this land much before Sepoy Mutiny. We should be proud of him that the hills of Northeast raised their voice against British colonialism even before 1857. We should be proud of it. He was a courageous, freedom-loving person, a born-free person. You see what happened? U. Tirath Singh was a CM, a chieftain, right? He was a chief of his tribe. Then British came to Khasi Hills. Why you know? Because in 1826, the king of Assam, Purandar Singha, was defeated by British. And there was an agreement in 1826, it was called the Yandabu Agreement. Already British got the valleys of Brahmaputra Valley. Then other side, now it is in Bangladesh, British got Sylhet district. Now, to reduce their travel time from Sylhet to Assam, they needed a road through Khasi Hills. So at that time, the British governor's agent in Northeast was Sir David Scott. So what they did, they need to construct a road through these islands, Khasi Hills to Sora area, Manglaw area, from Sylhet to this Guwahati. So they needed land, the permission from the chieftain. You see, Khasi people, by nature, they are generous. So when U. Tirath Singh was invited, out of generosity, he agreed. But British thought his generosity is weakness. British cheated him. His simplicity was cheated. They put up their outposts, their garrisons. They started their colonialization. And why colonialization take place? You see, at that time, in the beginning of 19th century, India actually was run by company. It was East India Company, right? Why company came to India? To take our resource from here. And Khasi Hills is full of resource. Everything is related to economy. They needed the resource. What is not there in Khasi Hills? The forest, coal, then limestones, then the fertile lands of Khasi Hills suitable for potato production also. So they needed this area. So they came, they started occupying. So and he was promised access to the alluvial plain of Brahmaputra Valley. But British did not implement the agreement. So he revolted. He revolted. In 1829, U. Tirath Singh, along with his people, attacked the British in Nanglaw. And he killed 2 British officers there. But the thing is that at that time, U. Tirath Singh and his companion, they are armed with sword, bows, arrows, and all the indigenous weapons. British had firearms. They realized that British can attack them from distance. So it is not easy to win against them. So U. Tirath Singh was very intelligent and courageous person. He adopted the guerrilla tactic, hit and run. Alright? And he was hiding in the secret places. Whenever they are suitable, he used to attack. 4 years, U. Tirath Singh fought against the British. But in one incident, he was injured and he was hiding in a place. But it was very unfortunate that one of the chieftain gave the information to the British only for few points. You see, my dear children, why I am telling you, if in that war, if Tirath Singh had won, the history of Meghalaya would have been different today. But he was cheated by one of his chieftains. at that time. So what I want to tell you, that you see, if you see the history of India, whether it was the Nawab Sirajuddaulah, Tipu Sultan, the great freedom fighters, or Yuktirath Singh, they were betrayed by our own people many times. So we should remain united. We should remain united to protect our land, our culture, our forest, our resource, our language, and everything. Then Yuktirath Singh was arrested and he was sent to a jail in Dhaka. Yuktirath Singh decided he will die as a king than to go before the British. He never surrendered. He fought till his last breath and he became a martyr in the jail in Dhaka. So, my dear children, we have to be courageous, we have to be united to protect our land, to protect our culture, to protect our nation, protect our state, to protect our tribe. Right? That is the lesson we learned from the life of Yuktirath Singh. Right? So on this day, we should not remember him with our speech. We should remember him for his values, for his sacrifice. And we should try to, input those values in the new generation, so that our new generation becomes courageous, our new generation becomes patriotic, new generation develop the sense of sacrifice for our people. Right? So on this day, in my brief speech, I would like to salute this son of the soil once again. So I appeal especially to the young children that you study about this great son and try to implement the values that he uphold in your own life. And finally, I would like to thank the office bearers of Khasi Student Union for giving me the opportunity to speak few words on this auspicious occasion. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Meghalaya.
स्वतंत्रता सेनानी, देशभक्त, समाज प्रेमी, एक साहसी इतिहास पुरुष, युग पुरुष युक्तिराथ सिंह को श्रद्धासुमन अर्पित करने के लिए, और ये जब दिन आता है तो हमें उनके बलिदान, समर्पण की यादें ताज़ा कर देता है। कैसे उन्होंने सीमित संसाधनों के होते हुए भी अंग्रेज़ों से डटकर मुकाबला किया, अपनी धरती को, अपने लोगों को अंग्रेज़ों के अत्याचार से, कुचक्कर से, दमन से बचाने का अंतिम सांस तक उन्होंने प्रयास किया। तो हमें उनके पद चिन्हों पर, उनके कार्यों को ध्यान में रखते हुए, उनके जैसा साहस, उनके जैसा देश प्रेम, समाज प्रेम अपने अंदर भी जागृत करने का आज का दिन हमें प्रेरित करता है, और हमें निश्चित रूप से उनके कार्यों को मनन करना चाहिए, अपने जीवन में उतारना चाहिए। जब जब मौका मिले हमें भी अपने समाज के लिए, अपने देश के लिए, अपनी धरती के लिए मौका मिले, हमें अपना सरस योगदान देने के लिए तत्पर तैयार रहना चाहिए। आप लोग यहाँ आए, मैं आप सभी का तहे दिल से आभार प्रकट करता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ, अभिनंदन करता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय मेघालय, जय भारत।